Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today we are going to the Colosseum on the inside today. Last time we went, we only got to see the outside, but today is a new day. I know you guys have asked me that like multiple times, how I do my hair. That is it. Simple. Takes 2 minutes. Alright, let's go.
Let me absolve you of the past that controls you. I just wanna know what you look like without a weight on your soul.
So guys, I am just out here in Rome, living the life, you know, having a good time. And I spilled some water, so I'm sorry if it's a little bit blurry. And here is an amazing monument right behind me. That's pretty dope. Now just walking to the Colosseum, and it's rainy out. Yeah, so kind of sucks, but that's life.
I'm questioning when it will end. But until I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season, and you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason. I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him. Wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that the sun is here, folk and change it.
So I'm just here at the Forum again, just because it is so incredible. This has got to be one of the coolest parts about Rome, in my honest opinion. Just
there's more to us, there's more to love than surface, lost the surface front. And the night I might spill my guts, she said.
The reason why I like this place so much is because if you just take a step back and see what civilization was like back in the days, about 2,000 years ago, it is literally incredible and just love it. So I've been doing a lot of research on these vlog type of situation, these YouTube videos, and one of my idols, Peter McKinnon, has actually done this a lot. He's an amazing videographer and photographer, but he doesn't show a lot of B-roll like he used to. He used to show a ton of B-roll, just kind of basically doing that the whole day, but I've noticed he's been talking a lot more, and that's what people like. They like his personality, and they like who he is as a person, and that's what I've decided to do more, is to talk a little bit more about myself, talk a little bit more about where I am, where I'm coming from, where I'm going, and to be more social with you guys. I know I really am social on Instagram and stuff like that, but not too social on here. So if you guys do have any questions, any comments, let me know. I will respond. I do a great job of that on Instagram. That is the main focus, is to actually respond to everyone that has posted to me. So to get to the point, if you guys have any questions or need any advice on anything, let me know. Let's go see the Colosseum.
Let me disarm you. I'm not trying to own
Said you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. Don't talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in. Well, I guess that you're right, but fake it's been never my time.
Walking around here is definitely an amazing feeling. I mean, just knowing that 10 feet away someone just was killed by a lion is, in my mind, insane. But now I gotta find the second level. Not really sure how to do that, but we're gonna go ask someone and get some better views at the top. One thing I did not expect is there to be columns in the middle of the ground, or in the playing field, or in the center of it. I thought it was going to be like open sand, and it was going to be like the movies, how they portrayed it, but it was nothing like that. They're like these columns in the middle of it, and it is just interesting how Hollywood depicts this over actually what it was. Something I now know. So I'm on the second floor now, so let's go see what it has to offer.
Sense that you're insecure. Can't tell what he did before to make you feel like you're less, you're more. Your clothes are floor. I guess I got a glass full of feelings that I overpour. And I can handle my liquor. We get love drunk and we get
So this is the second level of the Colosseum. It is pretty insane again. I'm glad I came today just because there's like barely any people here, and you get to get some really good shots. Only negative, a lot of people like to wear red coats, so they just stand out right in your picture, and it's a little bit misleading, or not misleading. It's a little bit right there in your eye when you take a look at the photo, but it is what it is, and that's what Photoshop is for, so I'm not really too worried. But otherwise, got some great pictures, great experience. I am definitely glad I came. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna go to a restaurant, get something to eat, probably some quick pizza, and head home because I don't want it to start raining again. But remember guys, I will see you tomorrow, and keep living life.